Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome back to Get By in French, lesson 6. So we're getting through these lessons quite quickly. Don't forget to go to the website if you want to check again the videos and what's on offer, and also to download the free PDFs of these lessons. Okay, I try to stick to the dialogue as much as possible on the sheets, but it doesn't matter if you get the odd extra word from me. You can just watch these videos again. So last lesson we looked at some simple vocabulary for yes please, no thank you, thank you very much, you're welcome. Today we're going to find out where you're from. So we've already been able to say bonjour, comment allez-vous, how are you, what's your name, comment vous appelez-vous. You might want to then find out, to build the conversation, where someone's from. The way you do that would be to say d'où venez-vous, d'où venez-vous. Venir is to come. From where do you come? D'où venez-vous? Okay, the answer's a little bit quicker, easy to say. It's je viens de, je viens de. You may have seen a perfume which says je reviens, I'm coming back. So you might see French in everyday life on different products, which is quite nice, quite fun to spot. So, d'où venez-vous? Je viens de. Now in my case I would say je viens d'Angleterre, from England. Je viens d'Angleterre, which means I am English, so je suis anglaise. Normally we've seen the silent letter at the end of the word anglais. We don't always pronounce the last consonant, the last letter in French, as you know. If you add the E for feminine, for a French lady, sorry, English lady or English girl, or French lady, French girl, which we'll see in a minute, je suis anglais, je suis anglaise, and then you pronounce the S. If you're from France, je suis de France, je suis français, for a man or a boy, je suis française, for a girl or a lady, okay? Je suis français, française. You can also use these for other adjectives to describe places. So, un café anglais, an English cafe. Un restaurant français, a French restaurant. Okay, so other countries you might have, or there's obviously hundreds of different countries. We'll just look at a few today. Angleterre, la France. We've got l'Écosse, Scotland. We have le Pays de Galles, Wales, and l'Irlande, Ireland. And then to say I am, and then the nationality itself, you would say je suis anglais, je suis anglaise, je suis français, je suis française, je suis écossais, je suis écossaise. Okay, so that's just a selection of countries for you for today. So now you can say bonjour, comment allez-vous, comment vous appelez-vous. I would say je vais bien, merci, je m'appelle Suzanne, je viens d'Angleterre, je suis anglaise. How are you going to get on with that? Have a go at the conversation, keep practicing, and you'll get there. Don't forget the PDFs online. Thank you. Au revoir.